students, it's Professor Wallace. I want to congratulate you on making it to the end of class. You have been an amazing class. You have done your work so well. I have enjoyed reading your discussion posts, your journal critiques, everything that you've done in this class. So you deserve a big pat on the back. It's not easy to complete an internet course. You have completed an internet course that is also a flex course during a pandemic. So that's not an easily done feat. So congratulations. At this point, all you have left is week 8 modules. So that's this last module right here. And your final exam is due by October 15th. So please make sure that you note that the due date for that final exam is October 15th. And I'm double checking the date here, and that is Thursday. Grades are due very soon for me, so I need a little bit of turnaround to get everything averaged out and posted so that I can get your final grade complete. So the final exam will be very much like what you saw in terms of format on the midterm exam. This one will cover chapters 8, 10, and then 12 through 15. There probably will be some mention somewhere along the way about BioSig. If you'll remember at the beginning of the semester, many students had lots of issues with BioSig. So I've taken that out. So it may still have the verbiage that will pop up, but don't worry about it. It should just go on in and let you do that final exam. So I repeat, the final exam is due by Thursday, October 15th. So make sure you get it done. It has been a pleasure teaching you this semester. I wish you all the successes in life, and if I can ever be of any help to your future, please do not hesitate to reach out. Again, well wishes, stay healthy, keep chasing down those dreams. You're doing a great job.